Okay, after restarting the PC, I will remove the temporary files. If some files are pending, so we will remove temporary files. The command is %temp%. Just click on enter. You will see still a Java file is here. You will delete all files and skip the one which are still running. So you check like this. These are the files which is deleted now, and we will the files are deleted now. We will check once again if some files are still pending. So it's okay. These are Windows files. We will skip these files and we will check the control panel if the application is still there or not. So you can see there is no Java application. Still we will search for the confirmation Java. So no Java application found. What we will do, we will install the old version or the version which is working correctly. I am providing a link to this version while installing the version. I will see you the link. This is the link, Google Drive link, where I have uploaded the both files. I will provide you this link in description, so you can just click on the link and download the files from here. Okay, install. You have successfully installed the Java. We will close, and after installing, we will launch the application. Click on launch. It will verify the application. After verification, you will see just pop-ups, and here you can see the application is working now. I will open my account to test you. And you will see like this is working now. No error, no security block issue. So I hope you will learn from this video, and if you have any queries, you can reach out to me through email. Thank you. Have a wonderful trading ahead. Goodbye.